Hi guys, I'm going to feed my fishes, all my fishes in this video, and let's start with this tank. And I have tinfoil barbs and different types of gouramis here. So let's start with this. They're going to munch on it. They love the feeding knife. As you can see, everyone has started. The gouramis are coming up. In a few seconds it will be all finished. So let's go to the next tank. Everybody has a different feed. We'll go for some optimum. They're all up. Soon the white ones will also come up. So let's put some more so that the white one also get. And let's go to the next one. This optimum can go here, over here for the mollies. Yeah, here they go. They're also having, as you can see, there's a beautiful baby molly over here. Let me see if I can find it. No, not right now. It's hiding. I think so. Everyone is. Oh yeah. At the back. There it is. There you can see the baby. And yes, everyone is having. So let's go to the next one. Next we have this betta fish that I have. He will also go for optimum. So just put some of a few optimums over here. I have just bought it. So I have 4 to 5 pellets. I have put them. I don't think he will eat just now, but let's wait. Let's take some more optimum for the guppies over here, balloon mollies and guppies. They love when I feed them. All of them are just above and having them. I have a betta over here also, so let's put a few here also. Yeah, there you go. They're new, so they're not that quite acclimated, and so they are not having it. But you can see the guppies, mollies, they are having. Soon they will also clear it all. Okay, so next are the goldfish. I'll bring some more optimum. You can see how beautiful the angels are. Let's go for the goldfish. As you can see, they have gathered for the food. And some more here so that everyone gets. Yeah, you can see everyone is just ready to have food, and the rest over can be put here. Yes. And I have some few shrimps with the you can see it is just coming up. I'll bring its food also. Let's go with the tetrapite that the shrimps have. You can see it is just ready to have the food. It just enjoys when I feed it. See how gracefully it is having its food. I just love the way the shrimps have the food. Sorry, shrimps, I'm saying lobsters or crayfish. The way they have the food, it's lovely. You'll just enjoy seeing it. So I have made some changes. The small turtle that you have seen here is now here because I have a few new pets over here. Some common crabs, one over here, other over here, and the third one most probably would be inside this. Yeah, you can see here it is. They're very good. It will just get a munch of me if I put my hands, so better if I keep it down. Yeah, I have some paddings so that they don't bite each other, and I have put some leaves because they most of their appetite is with the green leaves. They don't crabs are most probably not omnivorous, they are herbivorous as here. So I'm going to put some more food for the turtle and for the Oscar, and I have a new surprise over this time. I said that I am going to bring some lobsters for it, but I have something new in that and I'll show you very soon. If you have spotted, then it's okay, but I am going to show you very soon. So let me just switch this off so that don't goes. Now it's the Oscars time, and let's see. I had fed them in the morning once because they were jumping, so I don't think they'll come up right now, but they will very soon. Let's go first. Let's go first feed the big tank I have. So they are going to jump on these. You can see before I put, they're all excited to have it. Oh my god, you can see how bad they'll just finish this in seconds. Everyone is just I have some few leftovers, so let me put. I don't feed them twice over this tank, I just feed them once because they're a little big and they make the tank very like dirty in few days, so I just feed them once in a day. They just do well with that thing. They're healthy. I'm sorry for the blur. You can see they all have. These are the big Pacus, the big Oscars, and there are two small Oscars that will be very soon big. And the other Oscars in that tank, those are going to be very soon added over that tank. And this is a small setup for a few days only. Very soon that three will be added over there with them, and if the big ones don't bite them, it will be very great. I'm in love with this tank, how this came up. Let me just switch on the light and you can see something better. My god, just look at this tank. I am in love with this tank, the way it came up. If you want to make like this tanks, just take a molded tank. This is a molded tank, and you can have a showpiece in middle, white sands all over, and some white sands over the showpiece. The tank will come up something near to this, and it's not perfect, but I am in love with this. And next we can go for the surprise that I was saying. So here is the surprise, guys. I have a arowana in this tank, and you can see this tank is quite big, and it's not the only one. I have two albino plecos over here. They have too many hiding spaces, so I'm not able to find one of the both also, any one of them. So both are hiding somewhere, and you can see the arowana. I have put some nets over here because arowanas are great jumpers. So I have put some nets here. Oscars are also known for jumping, so I have put a net here also. And crabs are very good escape artists, so I have a net over here also. I will put some of these over here also. You can see the red cap, the way they have it, man, beautiful. And you can see I have hang-on filters in almost all of the tanks I own. One reason for it is I just love the filters that are not inside the tank, which does not disturb the uh, fishes or the structures that we make. The filters that don't disturb it, I just like that. I have one internal filter over this tank. I'll very soon bring a hang-on filter for this tank also, and this is our top filter, so I cannot change it into a hang-on filter because it doesn't have space in the backside to put that. This can't be changed, but this tank will very soon get a hang-on filter, and they work just very well for me. Hang-on filters do the work very well for me, and as you can see, almost all the feed that I have put is just gone. Everyone is filled with the feed, and that will make this. Thank you for watching, and do like and comment and subscribe, and to enjoy more kind of this videos, ring the bell icon and don't miss the next video. Thank you.